welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making a seafood boil. So I'm going to show my friend Diana how to make her seafood boil because she loves that, alright? So Diana, introduce yourself, tell them all about your channel and everything.
Hi guys, I am Maya's Glam and my channel is about beauty, lifestyle and relaxation. You can go over and subscribe and check out the videos, okay?
Alright, and I know you guys will do that, alright? So let's get straight into this, alright? Okay guys, so we have 7 cloves of garlic, so Diana is going to shred the garlic first before we start the process of putting the seafood in. We're going to show you everything, but first we're going to need some shred garlic, so we're going to prepare that with the onion and we're going to show you the procedure. So she's just going to shred her garlic. Alright, yeah, so you just shred your garlic. Yeah, we need it nice and fine like that. So that's that. Okay guys, so now that you can see that Diana finished her garlic nicely grated, perfectly done. Alright, so we're using purple onion today. In most videos you'll see the white onion, but we have purple onion. That's what I use now, so that's what we're going to use. Alright, so I'm just going to take one. So I'm going to show her what to do because she's going to do the rest. Alright, so just cut it just like that, and we're going to do the same to all of them. Alright, we just do that. We're just going to dice it like that. Like that. And then we're going to do the rest. No, not we. Diana going to do the rest, alright? So that's what I want them. So this is 2 medium-sized onion that we're going to use, alright? So that's what I wanted, and then I will do the rest. Alright, so Diana is going to show you. Because remember, she's the one cooking, guys. Alright? She will show you. Yes, guys, this is her thing. She loves seafood boil. So today we'll be using crab and shrimp. Because I think it's not lobster season now, Diana. Yeah, so we can't get any lobster because they're mating or something like that. I think that's how it goes. Guys, comment down below and let me know. So we cannot get any lobster now, so we're using the crab legs and we're using shrimp. So that is good. So beautiful. Okay guys, so our pot is here. As you can see, the water is hot. So now we're going to season our pot to have our crab legs. Alright? So now Diana is going to pour our onion in. So just pour your onion in the pot. Because we like our food with flavor, guys, okay? Yeah.
Yes.
Food without flavor, not ready, alright? So just gonna add everything in. Perfect. Alright. Then we're going to place our seasoning in. So we're going to spice up the pot. So now we're going to tell you what we have. So Diana, just tell me what you have in here. So we can put it here so they can see. So Diana has
the parsley, dry parsley. We have fish seasoning. We have
our Cajun season there. Yeah, we have paprika. And we have lemon and pepper season. That's a must in my seafood boil. And we have some cayenne pepper and we have some onion powder. And we also have some garlic powder. Alright, so just going to pour everything in to season the pot. So that's beautiful. Alright, so we're going to leave that to come to a little boil, and then we had our crab legs in. Okay guys, so we didn't have our onion powder. We're going to add that with some fresh green seasoning into the pot to give it a little more flavor. So all the seasoning that we had is roughly 1 teaspoon. So we're going to add some now. So then you're going to pour that in. I'll tell you when to stop. So perfect. So now just like 1 teaspoon of the green seasoning. This is a mixture of pimento seed, onion, skeleton, thyme, garlic, you name it. Alright, so beautiful. Alright, so we leave that to boil and then we had our crab in, okay? I wish you guys could be here to smell all of this goodness. Okay guys, so this is our crab legs. So Diana is cleaning our crab legs. You know, so we have to wash it off so we get anything that's on the crab legs before we put it into the pot. Look how juicy that are. So we have some vinegar and lime juice into the water. And yeah, beautiful. I can't wait to have this. So, girl, I clean up our crab legs also. Alright? I'm not going to show you the whole procedure for this, but yeah. So as I said, we use some vinegar and some lemon juice to wash it, and we have our brush that we use to brush our crab legs. Look how lovely those are. So guys, now we're going to have our crab legs into the pot. So when you're cooking, make sure your hands are clean before you prepare a meal, alright? Alright, so Diana's going to have them lovely crab legs in. Alright. Okay. So that is beautiful. Alright, so now we have our potatoes. They normally use a red one, but I like both. But this is what we have, and this is what we're going to use. So then I'm just going to show you how she sliced it, and she's basically doing it the way that she wants to have it in her seafood boil. Alright, very simple. So these are washed already, and then we're just going to put it in our pot where we're going to have our corn and all that good stuff. Alright, so yeah. Okay guys, so we're going to have 2 Maggi cubes in. So then I'm just going to have those in. We have flavor of the pots, okay? Alright. Perfect. And then we have our lime. We're just going to squeeze that in. You can use lime juice if you don't have it, or you can use lemon. So we have lime, so that's what we're using. So remove the seed and we'll just squeeze it. I also have lime juice, but I like to use the lemon or the lime. Yep, so that's just one lime that we use, and then we're just going to leave it in the pot, and then we're just going to squeeze the other one. So we're just going to put one of the part of the lime into the pot. Alright, so that's it, and then we're going to cover and just leave it to cook. Alright, so then you're going to give it a stir.
Ooh, this looks so good.
Beautiful. Can't wait for this. Alright, so we're going to cover that. Okay guys, so now we're going to prepare our corn, our eggs, our potato, and our shrimp into this pot. So the reason why we did to put everything together is because our crab, that's uncooked crab. So I wanted to put it by itself, which most people cook them separate. Some people cook them in just one pot. That's fine. So this is just for that, and then we're going to make our nice butter sauce. And our pepperoni is also going to be here. So guys, please remember to like this video, share it with your mother, uncle, sister, brother, and remember to subscribe. And remember to run over to Maya's Glam and subscribe and do all the right thing. Alright, so now we're going to add our onion. So this is just going to be like an handful of onion we're going to add. We're just going to add a little bit more, so that's fine. Alright, so we season this pot again, guys, because you know everything has to have seasoning there. Alright, so we're going to add our Cajun season. So just say 1 teaspoon. So go ahead and pour it in. So there we go.
The garlic powder.
So we have our garlic powder. So we're just telling you like 1 teaspoon, because basically, you know, we Jamaicans, we don't really use measurement. But yeah, and this is our lemon pepper season. Okay guys, so sorry. We couldn't get our Old Bay seasoning, so we don't have that here today, but still gonna taste good and taste nice. So in the boil, you will have your Old Bay seasoning as well, but we don't have that, but we're just doing what we have. Some parsley, some dry parsley. You can use a fresh one if you want. That's fine. And we also use some onion seasoning as well. Even though we have some fresh onion there, we still need that. We're going to use some fish seasoning, because remember we're using some seafood, so we need that. And we use our good Maggi fish seasoning. You can use any brand season that you want. We have some cayenne pepper. Alright. So just gonna pour. Need to pour a little more cayenne pepper in there, Diana. So we can just open that. All right, so we can put a little bit more in there. I'll just open that for you. So guys, I love cayenne pepper, so we use a little more than 1 teaspoon of that. And then we're going to use some paprika. Paprika will give a really nice color as well. All right, so just pour a little more paprika in there like that. All right, so this is good. And we're also going to put some just 2 Maggi cubes in there as well. And our crab is on the fire, still boiling, almost finished. Okay guys, so now we're going to make our butter sauce. So we're going to saute our onion and garlic. So we're going to place a little piece of butter into the pot. So now our stove is on low because we don't want our butter to burn, alright? Just a little piece more. And we're going to allow it to melt slowly. So that is fine. Alright, so now that our butter is melted, so nice and lovely, it's not burned, we're going to saute our onions. Yeah? So you can just add all the onions into the butter. So that's nice and lovely. This is gonna be so yummy. You know, I have potato over there, so boil. It's almost gonna finish, and then we're gonna have the shrimp in. All right. Garlic. So then yeah, then you're gonna have your garlic in. Beautiful. Okay guys, so now we're gonna have our shrimp in because we remove our potato and our pepperoni and the corn because those were cooked already. This take like 5 minutes to be cooked. All right guys, so this is our onion and garlic together in the butter. We're gonna have our season and we're gonna saute that. All right, so we're gonna pour all our season in. So we have, as we told you already, what we put inside. So it's our onion powder, garlic powder, our fish seasoning, paprika, and all those good stuff. All right, and I will leave it in the description box, okay? So you're gonna give it a nice stir there, huh? So we're gonna saute that a little bit. We're gonna add a little paprika into this to get a nice color. Okay guys, so what the type of butter that we use is unsalted butter because the season as we already have a lot of salt. As you see, we didn't have any salt because the season have a lot of salt. You know, it's not a lot of salt is not good for us. All right, so any unsalted butter is fine. So we're just gonna add, after we finish saute, we're gonna add all our butter in. The butter that we're using at the moment is anchor butter, but as I said, you can use any butter that you want. All right. And we're using 2 packs of anchor butter as well. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna add just a little bit of my green seasoning in, just a little bit. There like that to give it a more nice little flavor. So this is nice and buttery. Then I'm gonna go in again. Just add more of my butter. And this is lovely. Nice and lovely. Alright. And then we just give it a stir like that. So this is beautiful. Now we need a little more paprika. Just a little bit more. Because we're going for a nice color as well. So you see that there now? Lovely.
It's good.
So you know guys, as you go along, you have the seasoning in, you taste it and you can also adjust it. Alright? Because basically we use 1 teaspoon of everything, alright? So we just have just a little bit more of paprika. That's fine. And I also put some chili flakes in it as well, guys. I don't remember if I said that, but we did. Alright? And then you can use your lime juice or your lemon, but I'm going to squeeze a little lime inside like that to get a little buzz and so. Alright. Beautiful. I'm going to leave that for say another 3 minutes.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so now that our seafood boil is finished, sorry we didn't show you the process, the finishing part of our crab in the pot. But here's our crab legs, nice and juicy. So I'm just gonna place that in. So this is Diana's plate, guys. All right, she loves food bad. So we're gonna place 3 crab legs over there. Else we do 4 over there for her. So guys, remember Diana made this, okay? I show her to make it. And the sauce is amazing. So this is our potato there. So you know, so she's gonna make this all the time. Right, Diana?
Of course.
And guys, please remember to go over our channel and check it out. All right. So just gonna place our shrimp in. Guys, what a lot of shrimp. Diana, that's your name. I don't know any name or shrimp pizza. Then we have boiled eggs. So we're gonna put that to the side.
Oh, good.
12 that to the side. That's our middle name. Shrimp Keisha. We love shrimp. Alright. And then we have our pepperoni. I'm gonna also just plate some of that right there, like that. That is beautiful. Alright, and then we're gonna get our favorite butter sauce. Diana, you can't wait.
Alright.
Alright guys, so this is our nice butter sauce. Look at buttery this is. All this goodness. Alright guys, I know you're gonna talk about health and whatever, but guess what? This isn't health, this is for taste. Whenever you go to seafood restaurant, it's not healthy time, it's for taste, alright? So there we go. Everybody know what I say. Butter sauce is very buttery. Alright, so it's gonna pour that over like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at all that goodness. Wow. Guys, I wish you guys were here to have some of this. Diana, you ready?
Ready like Freddy.
This is your name. And then we're gonna put a little dry parsley over it, just a little. This is yummy. Beautiful. So this is it. Guys, don't forget to share this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Look at that. So I'm just gonna get our parsley. And we're gonna place it over there. All right, there you go. So just put some parsley all over.
Wow.
So, yep, that's it. Beautiful. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Diana, you wanna say something to the people?
Guys, I've learned so much today, and I'm definitely going to try this.
All the time. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.